We're very dynamic as an organisation. We'll always make our modules current and relevant, so it's preparing students for how the industry is currently.
There's a huge range of careers that we're preparing you for. To make sure that you're always able to work and work effectively is really important.
It is definitely a good time to really own your artistry and to really do you.
This is your opportunity to gain the skills to put you on the forefront of music technology. And that's shown through our partnerships with companies such as Dolby, Solid State Logic, and many more. We have cutting edge technology. We have Adam audio speakers that are supplied to us for the surround channels and the height channels.
We're very much here to facilitate what you want to do, because essentially you're coming here to learn how to succeed in the specific area of audio you want to work in. So if you direct all your work towards that, essentially you're creating your own portfolio.
Easily one of the biggest music educators out there.
There are so many lecturers here at Point Blank who are still heavily involved in the industry. There's a wealth of people externally coming in all the time to do workshops, masterclasses, just a really fantastic, exciting and vibrant place to be.
I want my students to sound original. I want them to fulfill their dreams. I want to sow the seed that they start thinking like, what would this be like if? And then once that seed is sown, you start to be more original.
Just say yes to as many things as you possibly can, because those connections, you're not going to make them anywhere else.
It's music. It can take me wherever I want it to take me. I've just got to have the skills and techniques to do it at an industry standard. That's why people will come to Point Blank, to learn those skills, to learn those techniques with people that have been there and done it.
Point Blank has an established history of being a respected music education provider. Whether that's with our TEF Gold or our high student satisfaction score, Point Blank is a trusted name within the music industry.